your guide today. And today we're going to discover birds from all over the world. But before that, everyone, meet my friend Wani.
Hi everyone! Well, I am a birder. Now I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. I travel from Scotland all the way to Zululand and down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Well, Wani here, she's very passionate, but also a little bit crazy.
You mean crazy for birds?
Yeah, that will do. Okay, Wani, share with us how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so last year I saw 700 birds.
Wow.
Well, this year I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 birds or even more. Thank you.
Wani, yes, I have a hashtag for you. Hashtag show off.
Hey, you know what? Hashtag I know.
Okay, Wani, since you love birds so much, let us begin our adventure by meeting some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America! Let's go! Now we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride down the Tango Plata River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Everyone look around you!
இங்க பாரு
You are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, right here in the Peruvian Amazon. Alright everyone, welcome to the Chuncho Moko Play Lake, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feed on play. Now this play lake is one of the largest of its kind in the world.
Everyone, keep your eyes right up there. That's all the major our salad for gods. Now with gods like that, they have sharp pointy bills which allows them to eat unripe fruits. But eating unripe fruits isn't good for these birds because they have toxins in them. So by eating clay, it neutralizes all the toxins out. Amazing, right, Yogi?
Indeed, no upset tummies. Looks like Adrian Ferrari is still right up there enjoying the salty feast. Let's give them a big hand, shall we? Yeah.
I want to see more birds.
More birds?
Yes, more birds. So let's not stop. Let's fly to Southeast Asia. Oh, can we stop here?
Everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species.
Wow!
Yes, there's actually more coming up.
More?
Yes,
Up there! Wow!
wow, look at the beautiful flight.
Oh, what is this?
Speaking of which, right, did you know that the Bird Paradise has a very special addition for their guests?
More birds?
Not birds, but bird eggs, okay? So, everyone here, you are more than welcome to join us on this exciting egg hunt. Now, all you have to do, take out your phones and scan that QR code right up on the screen to participate in this event where you will learn more about birds as well as their unique colors, sizes, and shapes of their eggs, okay? So when you're walking around the park, you will see actual egg clusters. Now collect 5 of these egg clusters and you will stand a chance to redeem the very exclusive Easter pin as shown on the screen. So don't forget to participate in this event, alright? Okay, Wani,
Yes.
shall we see more birds now?
Let's see.
Alright, so with that everyone, look up left and right. Here comes our beautiful birds.
இங்கடா
Joining you with me, I have Higgins, the green-winged macaws. Now green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the
have Katie. This is our first president, Cockatoo. Now, Cockatoo like Katie, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Now, Zamba is yellow in color. Can all of you see her crest? It's yellow, right? Well, that is how these birds get their name from. Silver-crested cockatoo.
That's right. Now these birds, they mate for life and they were devoted parents. So they will usually take advantage of tree cavities, just like this, to build their nest.
Well, they use bark, dry leaves, and even twigs as nesting materials. So once they have these materials, they will then put these into the nest. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beak to make the hole bigger. So let's have these two birds to demonstrate, shall we?
Okay, Katie, let's start with you first. And good job. Higgins, your turn. Right over here. Nice fly. Now, if you're wondering what goes on inside, everyone take a look at the screen. Oh, Higgins, that's you. Look. Oh, Katie, look, that's you. You're gonna drop one more in, okay? And there you go. Let's give it up for Higgins, Katie, and the wonderful trainers.
A rooster? You had a rooster in the park? Oh, Yogi! Look, the rooster is right up on the screen. No, Ani.
Yeah? The rooster is actually this one.
That is the rooster.
Yeah?
Yogi, no. That is an Amazon parrot.
So you
not
don't-
a rooster.
You don't believe me? Let me prove this to you, okay? Do you want to show Wani here how you do the sound of the rooster? There you go, the rooster! Loud and clear!
Okay, now I believe you.
Everyone meet Quincy, and that is Amigo, masters of mimicry. Alright, Quincy, how else would you like to welcome them? Whoa! Did you catch that? Quincy said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear this one more time, shall we? Ready? There you go! Good job! Now we heard Quincy imitate the sound of the rooster earlier. This time he's going to imitate the sound of a very fierce cat. Whoa, very fierce cat, right? Now he can also do the high-tech sound, and that is the sound of a ringing telephone. There you go, let's give it up for Quincy, everyone!
So parrots, they imitate sounds and calls made by the families in the wild. When they mimic human sounds, they are mimicking sounds around them.
That's right. And in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family will be the Mandai star.
Now let's hear our yellow-necked Amazon parrot mimic some sounds, shall we? Now to say hello. Oh, what a very sweet hello. Now he can't say his name on his own, so let's hear this. Can you tell everyone what's your name?
Amigo!
Did you catch that? Okay, one more time. What's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo! So Amigo is his name. Now Amigo, look! There's so many people this afternoon. How would you like to greet all of these nice people? Oh, what a very polite word! Now how are all of you doing this afternoon? Good? Awesome! Good to hear that. So Amigo here, he is very chimes, any one of you celebrating your birthday today? Raise up your hand if it's your birthday. Let me see. Whoa, okay. I see a few hands up. Now, you know what? This song goes out to you. Okay? Amigo, are you ready to sing? Let's sing it. In Bird Paradise. Well, Yogi, I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
Indeed. But hold on, everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. Now, if you were to get yourself a pet parrot, you will usually end up with a bird just like Big John.
John?
Hello.
Hi, Big John.
Did you hear how loud that was? So please think twice. No. Actually think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. And with that, let's give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazonian parrots.
Everyone, each year hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold to the pet trade. Now, as a result, both of them are critically endangered, both of these species. Now, parrots like them, they can live up to 15 years in captivity. So if you think they're good pets, but they don't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the Bird Paradise instead, correct?
That is right, Yogi. So what's next?
Oh, Wani, did you know that Wings of the World is sponsored by Kellogg's?
Kellogg's? What? I didn't know that one. I love Fruit Loops.
Well, then you'll be glad to know that this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Everyone, let's meet Kellogg's, Fruit Loops Ambassador, Elmo, our beautiful Dogo toucan. So Elmo's going to show off his flying abilities by flying through the giant Fruit Loop. Ready, Elmo?
Whoa! Not bad, right? Now, Togo toucan like Elmo, they have incredible speed and agility. They have very flexible body, which allows them to fly through gaps in the forest just like that giant Fruit Loop right over there. So once again, Elmo will be flying through the hoop and back to you. Ready, Elmo? Let's go!
Let's give it up for Kellogg's Fruit Loops for sponsoring Wings of the World presentation.
Right now, we are going to meet an iconic species in Asia, and that is the Oriental Pied Hornbill.
Everyone meet Oris, the Oriental Pied Hornbill. Now Oris here is a very heartwarming story. As a chick, he fell out of his nest and hurt himself. In the wild, Oris would not have survived. But right here in the Bird Paradise, he has been nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
Well, Hornbill and Toucan, they have two major differences. Now, Toucan, they are from Central and South America. Hornbill and Oris, they can only be found in Asia and Africa. The Hornbill, they have a distinctive feature over their beak called a carp. Now, it can be a small beach, quite big, or even brightly colored.
Wow, that's very interesting. But Bonnie, is there anything else that we can spot?
Oh yes, of course, Yogi. Their feet. Now the both of them, they are great hoppers. Everyone, watch out for that hop. Ready? What a very cute hop by Oris. Now toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 toes at the back, whereas Hornbill and Oris, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Now it gives them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. And
Yes, their tongues. Now hornbills, they have shorter tongue, but goldbirds here, they use their tongues to toss fruit back into their mouth. So check this out for Elmo. Ready? Catch! Good job.
So Oris, your turn. Ready and catch. So hornbills and toucans, they are great flyers. Now they are great at catching prey in mid-flight. So let's have Elmo to demonstrate his first.
Okay, Elmo, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, what a great catch. Now if you have missed that, let's watch Oris in action. Ready, Oris? Whenever you are ready. Okay, 1. Let's try that again, okay, Oris? Whenever you're ready. Okay, a little bit distracted. 1, 2, 3, up, and away. Wow! Perfect catch. Well, everyone, let's give Elmo and Oris a round of applause. Well done, guys. Everyone, hornbills, they have a very unique nesting behavior in the wild. Now they love to nest on tree cavities, just like that nest right up on that tree. So here in Bird Paradise, you don't have to leave your seats to look at the nesting behavior. Well, earlier on, you just met Horace, the Oriental Pied Hornbill. Everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, the Great Pied Hornbill. Wow, love that. Now, Great Pied Hornbill, they are one of the largest species of hornbill that you can find in Southeast Asia. In Borneo, which happens to be one of the places where they can be found, some tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over an area or a village, it means they will be blessed with good luck. However, everyone, female hornbill like Vicky, they are very fussy about their accommodation. Now, it has to be spacious and have to be chilly so that they can escape if they want to. Then in the wild, the male will then bring her mud and she will mix with mashed fruits and guess what? Even her own droppings to make a strong seal. With that, everyone, let's welcome her mate, Sunny, another Great Pied Hornbill.
So right now, Sunny is gathering food to feed the female hornbill inside of the nest. Oh, there you go. Now, if you cannot see this loving gesture, not to worry. Take a look at the screen, everyone. So right here we have the female Great Pied Hornbill checking out the nest cavity. Only if she likes it, she will hop right in. And in she goes. And then we have the male hornbill feeding her through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared with nearly all 62 species of hornbills in the world. With that, Sunny, I think you've done a great job. It's time for you to spread the beautiful wings. Home is all the way back there. Let us all say bye-bye, Sunny! And there you go. Let's give it up for our Great Pied Hornbill!
Sadly, everyone, hornbills, they are now under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbill are now being hunted for its cause called the red ivory. So what happens to elephants are now happening to this beautiful bird? I am here because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to protect these critically endangered helmeted hornbill. Well, as a birder, I love seeing birds in the wild and in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone! My name is Genevieve
stay active, enriched, and engaged. In a short while, we will be welcoming some very colorful birds on stage. Looks like everyone's ready. Let's welcome our beautiful conures. This enrichment device is called a prefix. It is made with ropes tied into knots, and within these knots we fit in treats for our birds to find. This will allow them to express their natural foraging behaviors. Conures originate from the forests of South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 conures are sold into the country. There are now more conures in people's homes than there are in the wild. Conures, like us, are social animals in our happiest clubs. So please do not eat them as pets. Did you know there are over 40 species of conures in the world? Up here on our monkey list, we can see two types of conure species. We have the green jet-day conures and the more yellow sun conures. And if you're wondering what we've hidden inside these monkeys, we have treats such as sunflower seeds, almonds, walnuts, and even nutritional pellets. Looks like our conures have gone back home. Let's give them all a round of applause.
Thank you very much, Genevieve, for sharing some insights about enrichment for their resident conures.
Yummy.
Yeah.
We've been to South America. We came to Asia to see beautiful birds. I think it only makes sense if we head to Africa.
That way, let's go! And here we are, traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. Now, before the next bird comes out on stage, I will need everyone's cooperation to remain seated at all times and hands down. Okay, once again, remain seated at all times. Thank you.
Now we've come here to see a very special bird that can be found in ponds, lagoons, and even lakes in Africa and even Southern Arabia. I am talking about the pink-backed pelican rose.
Now these birds, they use their massive bills as well as their throat pouches to hunt for fishes in the waters.
Well, did you know that they can fly for hundreds of miles for 24 hours without stopping? Well, they are large, but they are lightweight. They weigh about 4 to 6 kilograms.
That's right. Now large but lightweight, these birds also have a huge wingspan which measure up to 9 feet long, which is about this long. Alright, so with that, Rose, I think you've done a wonderful job. It's time for you to head back home now, and off he goes. Everyone, let's give it up for Rose, our big fat pelican.
Yummy.
Yes?
Before we carry on, should we push these two heavy stumps aside?
Alright, let's do this.
Do this. Perfect. Now everyone, birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. Well, they are one of the strongest creatures that you can find on this planet. Now that is the reason why I love traveling across continents to see them. But what I will love is to see birds from all over the world, right here and right now.
Well, Wani, I think your wish is about to come true.
Really?
Yes, that way!
Goreng.
Alright, for those of you who are still here at the Sky Amphitheater, we have a little surprise for you, okay? Now, if you are interested to take pictures, standing right over here and have these pelicans and flamingos as your background, all you have to do, follow queue right over here.